Hi guys! Happy Friday everyone! Good afternoon! Ate Paris, come on! Nandito kami ngayon sa South Brisbane and we are walking kasi na-miss namin yung isang na-miss namin yung car park guys. And alam niyo naman dito sa Brisbane, kapag na-miss mo ang park or na-miss mo ang isang turn, naku, you have to go round and around. So, nag-park na lang kami kung saan malapit yung parking doon sa nakita namin. Show me. And then, naglakad kami guys and it shows 12 minutes walk. Daddy Mike's there now. Hindi pa kami napunta sa part na to before, I'm afraid. So, this is like all new to us guys. Alam niyo ba kung saan kami pupunta? Nak, where are we going?
To the museum.
Museum. We're going to the art gallery. Daddy's not working today. So we will spend the afternoon there. And Celine, I think is Celine sleeping na? Buti na lang guys, hindi siya maginaw, hindi siya mainit. So it's okay. Tingnan niyo pa naman ang naka-ano pa naman ako, naka-shoes. Naka-skirt. Tapos naglakad ng malayo, my lord. Ayan, dito kami kanina. Dapat sana dyan, mag-stop, mag-park. But sabi man na diretso-diretso lang daw sa navigator, dumiretso kami. Dinala kami doon. Ito pala yung parking na dapat puntahan namin kanina guys. Ba, hindi kami lumiko dyan. Dumiretso kami doon na. Good luck. See, gallery. Yeah, it's gone, sweetheart.
Is it just...
Ah, Celine. Maybe. She won't be able to see it. Dito na kami. Sus, dito lang pala talaga.
Can you say I'm a naughty girl?
Hmm?
Can you say you're a naughty girl to me?
You're a naughty girl. Let's just grab something to eat.
Do it again.
You're a dung-dung girl. We finally found the place. Somebody ordered us food.
I want the way.
This is for later. I'm ordering ice hot chocolate and some toasty. Mommy and you will share toasty, okay? Okay? Paris got apple juice. Tingnan niyo, nakachug pa naman ang mami niyo. Very warm day today, guys.
And I'm at
Pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin mamaya. Move here to be. Ano saan may move, eh?
And I'm at school today.
You're at school today?
Yeah. And mommy's just on my head first before I go in my class.
Hmm?
And instead of water, I got orange juice for my lunch.
We've got water here for you anyways.
Yep.
Ayan. At kakamadali namin kanina guys. Alam niyo ba, hindi nakapag-makeup si mami niyo. Ayan. Wala. Tapos, hindi ko na nasupply ang akin. Hindi ko na siya na Kaya, ginaniyan ko na lang guys. Glam.
Thanks, man. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Tapos, bahala na guys. Basta ang ating outfit ay on point. Bahala na ang mukha. Pakita ko na nga.
Mommy got me 2 drinks today, and we are ready at school. You can see my school address here.
No,
And my sister.
I already saw your outfit before.
And I'm gonna share mine. This is mine.
They already saw your outfit before. And here's my bag for today. Oh my god.
Mommy
I
loves
love
that
this
bag.
Yeah, don't
What is your
ask.
shoes, darling?
It's so beautiful guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Against my white shirt. Sobrang ganda niya. Tingnan. Diba? You like this bag, Daddy?
I love it the most. I love
You love
it.
it? I love pink. Anyways.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Looks good. Thirsty.
Yeah.
Sharing tayo, anak. One for you and one for me.
I want that one. I wanted that one. Yay.
Good?
Oh, they didn't take it out?
I didn't take it out of mine.
Ah. Bagel.
I love bagels.
Huh?
I said
I love bagels.
It's bread.
Ayaw kumain na Daddy Mike ng
I don't
ano
like
guys,
the I don't like the nuts.
kamatis.
The what?
Nuts.
What nuts?
I'm done with my food
And then
guys, so
I
I'm
finish.
Nelly?
eating my chocolate mud cake.
I'll help you.
Alam niyo ba, this one is vegan daw. I'm wondering kung paano nila ginagawa yung ano. Kasi di ba walang milk, walang butter.
I like him. I really like him.
Oh, talaga?
He's got a good vibe.
He's smiling niya.
He's gentle.
Ano sam?
I want some after.
That is
I'll give you some. You nearly finished. Tingnan niyo, oh, but
Yan yung last
konti na
one.
lang. Ate Paris.
the last one.
Oh, alam niyo ba guys, meron tayong update doon sa sasakyan natin. So, early this morning, nakatanggap kami ng tawag and text message from the car place na yung insurance namin na side ha, binook na nila yung car namin for repair. Diba sabi namin February. So, pinabasa ko kay Daddy Mike kaya ng umaga, hindi niya binasa ng mabuti. But they're actually bringing it forward to November now. So, Daddy said yes. So, I already replied yes.
Is it December?
Eh, sabi ni Daddy Mike,
It's,
we have to confirm that
September. It's
November
September now.
talaga. Kasi di ba sabi nila Feb, so
Nearly
it's
finished, but yeah.
November, December, January,
Yeah.
February. So, 3 months yung differential.
December.
Sabi ni Daddy Mike na ayaw namin what was the word you used, Daddy? We don't want to
Compromise on
oh,
quality.
yeah. Compromise the quality. So, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike this morning and they said like, nah, it's all good.
Yeah, he sounded professional.
Yeah.
Even they had like the frame line and stuff was all like a professional one.
Yeah, they're a big place, but
It's not like they had like, you know, when they put you on hold and stuff, it's talking about their business.
so yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We will bring the car in for repair 3rd of November, and they said till the 13th. So they're asking for 10 days. Good luck. Good luck for the 10 days. But
You got
who
a
knows?
replacement car?
Yeah, I'm saying. But who knows really? Because remember last time it was like, oh yeah, 2 weeks, and then it became 2 months. 2 months, 1 month.
It's fine as long as we have the car.
Yeah. But we will have the replacement car. Yung rental car naman, so it's okay.
We should get them to fix the window over there.
I don't know how it works.
The mirror.
Probably have to do like another unpacking then.
So I'm just taking this one.
You done?
Yes.
So we didn't have to contact the guy's insurance anymore because they wouldn't. Do we have to give them a call and say no, we're not using it? Kasi everything's done sa side na namin, so we don't need to get in contact with the insurance.
The only thing we need to confirm with Stella again is that it doesn't affect our, it's not going to affect our premium. If it does, then okay, next year I can take another intro again. But Stella was cheaper.
Yeah. Alam niyo ba guys, ngayon, parang nag-trauma ako every time na nag-stop ako sa light. Like, parang pagtingin ko sa likuran, parang ang bilis nila sa likuran. I'm not giving enough space. Natatakot ako baka pag nag-stop ako ay mabubuan man yung likuran namin. Nakaka-trauma din naman talaga. It happened twice now. Are you done, ate? So, habis na.
I'm just following it.
It's really nice.
You like it?
It's nice, yeah. Really nice. Like really, really nice.
Last week, na this week, Ate Paris sa school holidays. Next week, balik na sa school si Ate Paris.
We shall school next week.
Yeah, Tuesday.
So we're going back Sunday.
Yeah. Tapos Daddy Mike ay naka-break yan siya. So he didn't go to work yesterday, today, and then the whole weekend, and then Monday kasi Monday is public holiday. So Tuesday balik na si Daddy Mike sa work. And then Ate Paris ay balik na sa kanyang school. So back to ano naman kami ni Baby Selena kami lang dalawa. So we're trying to like do stuff while we're together. While nasa break sila. Para ano, ka-time naman kami.
Mama, I'm eating an artemis.
Lucky girl. See, that's what happens when you eat, yeah?
Get yummy stuff.
Yummy, that's right.
And you can get whatever you like, but if it's not expensive. Ah!
Oh, no.
That's fine. Ew!
We're here, guys. Ayan. Kita ba? Mama, dilim. Gallery of Modern Art. And that's the city across the river. I think, yeah, across the river. Yeah, so hindi pa kami nakapunta dito. It's exciting.
Is that shop we're in the museum?
Yes,
In the museum.
museum. Wow, we'll take a photo here, Pop. Tickets, guys.
I have to say.
Adult $16. Ah, so where do we put this? Oh, it says here before we have ticket, you come this way. 2 irresistible exhibitions. Okay. Go. Oh, exhibition entry. This. Go have a look. Wow. Michael Zabros, the favorite. It's so blue. Wow, it's massive. Huh? Yeah, me too. Develop a singular vision. Wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah. This is your thing, Paris. Art. That's so different. We can just close it, right? Charcoal on paper.
I can draw bustle.
Can you? Wow, look at this. This is my thing. Chanel.
Paint it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Do you want to be an artist? Alam mo ba guys, ang lalaki ba, inano niya kami kaagad kasi Ate Paris sinawakan man. Oh, you shouldn't be touching it. There's another one there. Here it's super cool. Parang totoo ah. May isang pantari. Yes. No. Don't touch any anak. Flowers. Yes. Oh, this one looks like a... Yeah, you can see on the pouch. Sorry. I knew it. Meron akong ganito, guys. Meron akong ganyan. See, Gucci na scarf. Yeah. It's another Gucci. Gucci. Got Gucci tie, Daddy. Do you know I have that one, Daddy? The scarf, the Gucci scarf. Yeah. And this one. Baliktad na ang bangs. What's that? Okay. There's a color. Oh yeah. It's probably him. Ah yeah, that's him. I think that's the artist. I know. Pretty cool.
What's that hard?
Daddy, that must be him, yeah.
Yes. That is it.
Ah, it's very nice. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Ang kanyang works. See, that's him painting. Yeah. That's his daughter.
Here, Mama. Can we go in the next room?
Of course. Oh, this is very nice. No touching Paris. Hmm? Read it.
Yeah, actually. What does it say? Actually.
Mirror images. This is so cool. Look at the horse. There's another horse here. Ganda. Uy, sobrang ganda ng painting. Wow.
This is for the
Super nice.
horse.
And there's
This
like
is a
the
horseman.
Minotaur.
half human, half horse. Dito kami sa kabilang room. And this one is Eric and Marion Taylor Gallery. So this is more like colors. Tingnan mo, sobrang makulay niya. Pero mabungo-bungo. Sunflowers. This one. This one's super cool. Trust us, our pageant is bigger, better. That one's massive. What's that? Insects. Butterflies. I know, I'm not.
Crazy guy.
I know. See, this one is very colorful. Daddy, you belong. You belong there. Ito yung last room sa second na artist. Kasi gusto ko yung kabila.
That's my first guy.
Which one? Mas maganda yung sa kabila yung view. This is not very me. But tingnan nyo guys ito. Curve its eyes. So do you see all the flowers? But tingnan nyo guys, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng pagkagawa. Wow, it wouldn't be here kung hindi maganda yung pagkagawa. Ah, pati na rin the flirty. That one? Yeah. Ah, it's gun pala. I was wondering ano to? Yeah, it's gun. Ah.
What do we press?
Oh, so he's Australian who lives and works in Brisbane.
What do you press?
Next, yeah.
Next.
You have to see back. You have to read it. Can you read it?
Hi. I don't know what that says.
Michael.
Michael.
Yeah, that's Daddy's name.
Hi, I'm Michael. What's that?
That's Zavros.
Davros. I am an Australian
Artist.
artist. Is that one of the people that did the drawing
Yes.
on the wall?
Read it. Here.
Brand. How?
Who?
Who lives and works in Brisbane?
There. Okay. Press. Okay, and look at the screen. Okay, that's fine. Keep. Ah, we'll see. That's your face there. A head like that.
Down.
That should be like this. Okay, done. See if that's alright.
Now what do I do?
Choose an animal. You should.
Don't.
Okay. Oh, okay. Next. We'll see what happens. There you go. Paris the Merciful. That's you. That's the hero. Okay, we'll go to the next one. We'll see what's in here. Come on. You see any?
Nah, they look real.
They look real?
Whenever I put the microphone
Maybe, my
glass,
too.
it looks very real. It looks very real.
Oh, that hurts my eye.
That's a moth up there.
What's that? Do you want to use the magnifying glass?
Push the stolen button.
Go, go. Wow! Look at that lady watching. It's a bug. It's a bug. Wow.
Lenny, look.
Oh my god!
Come. Lenny, look. Look at your nose.
Nice.
Hey, your nose.
Oh my god, Daddy. So much eyes.
No.
No, that's not a trash.
Silly. Silly.
Daddy.
Look at the house done. Go.
Tingnan niyo guys, nandito kami sa store ngayon. Ito yung ano, pinapicturean ko, di ba? May picture ako sa loob.
Oh yeah, there's a pen. Why, there's a
No touching, please. Ayun, nagpapabili na sila ng pen. Oh, ay, naku, $5 each ang pen, ha? Bantay, pag di gamitan ng pen. Yes.
A few moments later.
Here's Brisbane City. Yan ang kanilang ilog. Dito kami dadaan. Pupunta kami doon sa South Bank. I think it's going to be far, Daddy. It's going to be a fair walk, you know? There's a gallery there.
Banana cruise.
Did you see the bird, honey? Lilin?
Must take you past the trees where there's lots of koalas.
Yeah, Mom.
Where there's lots of
Good
koalas.
girl. Lin! Lin, ate di ay. Careful, ate. It's dangerous. Kilini. We're nearly there, guys. Sa, hindi malayo dito. That's the thing that you see? See, that's the, how do you call that? The ferry station.
Yeah.
So it's just there.
Yeah.
Kasi, ano din ngayon? Which one? Where?
Right. Skeleton, but it actually looks like life.
Oh no, do you think it's mermaid?
No,
Tingnan nyo guys, ayan oh,
I think it's
wheel. So pupunta kami ngayon doon sa South Bank kasi meron silang Friday market. So may food, may mga kung anik-anik silang paninda doon. So yun tayo. Malapit lang naman, dyan lang. Oh.
maybe it's a
Yes, princess. Do you like it?
what about?
Yeah, ate, be careful ate, please.
Maybe it's an electric eel.
Maybe, sweetie.
But come on, look. There's another piece at the top of the rock. It's right there.
Yeah.
It's hanging.
Oh, tingnan nyo guys, ang aking paa. Tingnan nyo, oh, meron ng blisters. Sakit. Kakalakad namin.
Brisbane side.
Ha?
It's that Brisbane side.
Yeah. We went there before. Can you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It had water on the bottom.
Huh?
It did have water on the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't remember the water part. Tingnan nyo, ang dami nila.
Can you carry me so I can see?
There's another one. There's another two there. Look.
See
Oh
them?
my god.
Oh my god.
Ito
That's
malaki
a
oh.
nice big one.
Yeah. That's the biggest one.
Mama. Can you carry me something?
Huh? Let's see if there's any more here. Oh, wala. Yun lang, tatlo.
Feel like you're Andy.
What's Andy's?
It's over there. Oh my god.
Is there another one?
Yes.
Where?
It's over there.
Nothing, oy.
Come on.
Careful lang, cause there's bike there lang. Yes, baby. Lenny, like it? Yeah. Andito na kami, guys. Mabilis lang pala. Hindi naman siya kalayuan. Kaya lang kasi itong ating sapatos ay bago. The road test.
I mean, I see lizards in here.
Yes. So many lizards. We're at the market now. Ayan. Yeah, so cute. And ito sa ano guys, oh. Pigmentation sunspots.
Mommy, here's the coin.
3-color drink guys, Vietnamese.
Papa, telling lies.
I'll try this
Can
one.
you just give it to me?
It's like mung bean, some, I don't know what's in there, and then coconut milk. Ice. Parang halo-halo guys, but Vietnamese version.
Why? Ew! I don't like the ice. Ew. I like coconut.
Well, I like coconut. Ewan ko guys, sa dalawang to, ayaw nilang coconuts guys. Kapag may coconut ice cream, ganyan, ako lang kumakain. Which is good. Wala akong kompetensya. Ako lang ang kumakain ng coconut. This looks so yummy. Actually, ito yung isa sa nasasarapan akong bambuwe dito sa Bristol. That one, having chicken for daddy and the parents. We have this. Sarap. Spring roll, but I'm so hungry. So
Hi guys, and I'm just doing
Lini goes crazy. She's dressed. Sabi niya sa akin, look! Oh, that looks beautiful. What is it, babay?
That one. Lucky dip.
Have a look.